Airspace Link raises $10 million to make drones safer for both operators and communities. Airspace Link considers airspace to be a digital infrastructure that is devoid of critical regulations. The startup plans to use the additional funds to expand its domestic offering as well as expand internationally. Airspace Link's innovative platform addresses the concerns of drone operators and communities, allowing pilots to fly safely. Airspace Links provides planning tools for drone operations, as well as API access. The FAA's low-altitude authorization and notification capability is met by the company's system. Dealander says the goal with series of funding is to integrate with as many transportation groups as possible. Michael Dealander, Daniel Bradshaw, and Anna Dealander founded Airspace Link in 2018. The Detroit-based startup has a total of 20 full-time employees. According to the company, it works with more than 40 government agencies and municipalities in the United States. Safely integrate drones into the national airspace and our communities at scale, says Airspace Link. GeoMetri, an indoor GPS tracking company acquired by Acuity Brands, was founded by the company's CEO previously. Airspace Link's series round is led by Altos Ventures and Thales. Thales is a pioneer in the field of air traffic management. As the use of unmanned aircraft systems, UAS, grows, airspace management must combine both air and ground insights for safe, low-altitude operations around communities, Thales says.